NOVA Formworks is the first Indian manufacturer of a plastic formwork system founded by renowned technocrat Vikas Kumar Mittal. With a legacy of more than 40 years in plastic manufacturing, NOVA is the latest product to meet the complex needs of the new age construction field. The journey that began in 2004 with Vikas Kumar Mittal and Tina Mittal taking the founding and strategic roles today is a thriving community of stakeholders across Pan-India with 250 plus talented people working in Ghaziabad and Bangalore manufacturing facilities. After capturing the Indian market as pioneers in formwork systems, today we are a truly global community with our patented products being exported worldwide. With a significant presence in Africa, Jordan, Dubai, Doha, Sri Lanka, we envision for NOVA to be called an international change maker in the construction industry and aim to be present in over 30 countries by 2025. Because we believe in building values and transforming lives by setting up our footprint across the globe to create a long-term impact and sustainable future. Because long-term impact and sustainable future is the key to the long-impended need for change.
Hi, I'm Vikas Mithal, Director at NOVA Formworks Private Limited. We have a legacy of over 40 years in plastic manufacturing. We're always striving for innovative and sustainable products. NOVA Plastic Formworks is the best solution for formworks in the construction industry as it is sustainable, reliable and economical.
The only company to be granted a patent for reusable formworks with novel locking and folding systems proves nothing is more important to us than our core values: quality, innovation, people, trust and integrity. Our clientele from Ahluwalia Contracts India Limited, Shapoorji Pallonji, L&T to JMC and Tata Projects amongst others stands as a witness to our commitment to clients. With integration of our expertise and years of experience in plastic and construction engineering, we design innovative and sustainable plastic modular formwork system solutions to turn any construction project into a goodwill milestone for all our clients. Vikas's powerful vision and strong analytical mindset have led NOVA to seize a distinctive niche in the industry. As he always says, success for any firm today lies in the sweet spot where innovation meets sustainability. Today, with his leadership and support, NOVA is here to design a greener tomorrow, to innovate product designs that adhere to the spirit of Make in India and build a lasting trust for all the stakeholders.
Hi, I'm Tina Mittal, Director at NOVA Formworks Private Limited. We at NOVA have a vision to create a greener tomorrow. Let's embrace this new journey in construction and use NOVA panels, which are 100% recyclable and can be used for more than 100 times. Let's do our bit to bring a green future for our next generation.
NOVA is here to create change. NOVA is here to create impact. NOVA is here to create future.